Don't you even care anymore, Cabo? Look it, she has your toy. She's killing it. Why don't you care?
No, come on. Get it. Get the beaver. Get the beaver. Good job.
And it's even funnier because she's a girl. I know, I told you I was inappropriate. I know it's his sister. Wow.
I'm not even thinking like that.
Like, you're the one that was like, get the beaver! And then he grabs her tail. They're already getting bigger. Look how far Cabo was thrown. Hi, Tina. Hi.
Are you trying to steal my attention so Cabo come play with you?
I think so. Cabo's... Nope. He cares more about the carpet.
You are so soft. You are such a soft puppy.
I'm even softer under here.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
She is so pretty.
And he takes the opportunity.
Get the beaver.
The mean old sister has it now. I love video cameras.
Come on, it's your beaver.
She blends into that. Yeah.
Or green.
How am I going to find her at night? Get it. Kill it. Kill it, Rogue. Kill it. Destroy the beaver.
This is what ages do when all the boys are playing. The boys and girls and adults.
Do you gotta go outside?